Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Erica Lifestyle here, and today's vlog, it's another collaboration, it's another unboxing, and of course, so yeah guys, welcome back to my channel. And yeah, of course, stay tuned and bear with me because we're gonna unbox this together, and for another collaboration and another review of this special kind of product. It's because it's very useful for us, especially if we work at home, if we have in our desk, of our computer, we need light. So this gadget and this apparatuses, what's inside, it's very useful for us. So stay tuned and bear with me. We're gonna unbox this together. It's called Micomlan transformable desk lamp with swing arm. It's right there. So this is, yeah, I got a product from them. So thank you so much, Micomlan, for this LED. This is LED this lamp. So yeah, we're gonna unbox this together and see how it looks like. I'm pretty sure you have some ideas on how it looks like because it says on the outside of the box, of course. So yeah, let's open this together. Thank you so much. I would love to shout out from the brand that I collaborate and work with. It's Micomlan. So there you go. So don't you worry, I'm gonna put the link on if you guys are interested to purchase, and I can give you a discount code. So voila. So there you go. So this is how it looks like. That there. So that's the LED lights. So let me read the manual for this one. And hold on, I think this is the charger. Give me a second, I'm gonna read the instructions how to set it up. Give me a second. There we go. So thank you so much, Micomlan, for this LED lights, LED this lamps. This is very useful for me as a vlogger, as a content creator. I'm always been using my computer, and you need perfect light for to have your high definition of your videos. This is very useful, and as well as this is very useful when you work at home and use your computer, use your laptop or your computer desk. This is very useful because it's not just gonna brighten up your your daily routine of your computer works. This is also brighten, and it makes us easy to do whatever computer task that you do. So yeah, this is very useful for me. Thank you so much, Micomlan, for this lamp, for this LED disc lamps. I really appreciate that you guys are picking me as one of your brand ambassador, and I hope I can still work with you more in the future, maybe soon, maybe you know, maybe the soonest the better. The more collaboration, the more you know what I mean. So yeah, I'm gonna yakking and yakking here. So let's focus on this Micomlan, this lamp. So this is, yeah, that's the name of the brand. um yeah, Micomlan is a self-developed high-end LED lighting brand. This is, and yeah, you can check this out on Amazon. So yeah, I think they are like 69 or 79 bucks. So yeah, I get this, they give me this free stuff, and since I am a brand ambassador to them and I work with them. But if you guys would love to purchase, I can give you a discount code, and yeah, if you are interested to do so, and check it out on my description for the link and the discount code to my fans and subscribers out there who are willing to purchase and to have this kind of LED desk lamp. So without any further ado, let's continue. Yeah, like I said, Micomlan is a self-developed high-end LED lighting brand. I do have lots of LED lighting. I do have ring lights, but this is like a game changer to me. So yeah, the reason why, let's check it out later. so yeah, so this lamp is architect desk lamp for home office atmosphere with atmosphere lighting, and it has 24 watts ultra bright auto dimming desk lights, and also stepless dimming and tempering LED table light. So that's why I am here on the table, so that we can it's a different view, you know, of my vlog, because this is like very relatable area right here for the desk lamp unboxing and review. So we can think we can do like that way. And this is the charger, and this is the power button, on and off, medium, and this is like you can adjust, it's like adjust to dim and bright. So this is how it looks like that. Wow, amazing. So this is how it looks like. See, you just put there and screw like that way, like that. There's where you can screw right there. So yeah, let me try this one and plug this. So yeah, I'm just assuming here that I'm putting on the desk lights. So this is how it works. You just plug in this one charger, and so it's right here where you can plug this LED desk lamps. So there you go, and I'm super excited. Wow, cool. So this is how it looks like, and I think, see, it's adjustable. You can do like that, and so we can adjust. So this light, this color is this bright right here. It's the dimming lighting. But if we can adjust this part here, so you just, if you want white, yellow, there you go. I think this is nice. So that's the, wow. Oh, this is like more than a ring light to me. I super love it. There you go. So yeah, it has 3 ultra bright light bars designed for frilly vertical adjustment and horizontal adjustment. You can also do like that, see, and vertical, horizontal. So this is pretty amazing. And yeah, don't you worry, I'm gonna put the link in my description. This is very amazing. I love it. So you can turn on the bilateral light bars and to expand the lighting coverage to 80 inches. Perfect for large desktop with multiple monitors. So yeah, and I think I said it all, and that's it, guys, for today's video. Thank you for watching, and this has been Erica Lifestyle saying to you, stay safe and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye. Thank you, Micomlan.